I think the pain really started about 2 years ago, and it got worse and worse. I used to walk a lot with my wife, especially here in Phuket, in hills, and slowly I developed more and more pain on my right hip to the point that I had to see my doctor in Switzerland. Then he discovered that yes, my right hip was in bad shape, and I did an infiltration which helped for about 1 year, but then it got worse and worse. I did my second infiltration with my doctor and the surgeon in Switzerland. He told me that within the next 6 months I will have no choice than to change my hip because it was just too damaged, too worn out, and it was getting worse and worse to the point that I couldn't walk anymore. I got some recommendations from other patients who had the surgery done by Dr. Anupab, and the results were very, very good, very promising. The whole process was extremely well explained to me by Dr. Anupab using a presentation, PowerPoint presentation, explaining the whole process and also pictures, diagrams. I was really impressed that we could do such a procedure without cutting any muscles, without damaging the area around the hip. Well, when I came back from the surgery, I would never have believed that I could get up within the next day and even start walking. This was really, for me, I'm not saying it's a miracle, but it's almost like a miracle that it just happened so fast, and that the recovery is extremely fast. I can only recommend it, and I think my surgeon, Dr. Anupab, did a fantastic job. Very, very impressed by the Bangkok Hospital of Phuket. I mean, this is to the standard that I know that we can have in Switzerland. I just cannot believe that here in Phuket we can have an excellent hospital with excellent treatments, and the nurses, the whole staff is here to help, and the quality of the hospital is just very impressive to me.